I'm Ashley, a Technology Integration Specialist with SWWC. In this Canva series video, we'll look at how Canva Sheets, combined with Canva's magic tools, can streamline planning and reduce setup time without adding complicated systems. There are many ways Canva Sheets can be used, but for today's video, I'm creating a teacher-only lesson and unit planning sheet. This could be used by an individual teacher, PLC, or grade level team, but it's not designed for student use. Instead of starting with a blank grid that I have to fill in, I'm going to let Canva help with the structure using Magic Design. Canva automatically creates a layout that already makes sense. There are clear headings, spacing, and a visual structure that's easy to scan. The best part is, it didn't take much time at all to set this up. Now I want to focus on language. This is where Magic Write becomes really useful for teachers. I can ask Magic Write to clarify learning target language, simplify notes, or even rephrase things using student-friendly wording for my own planning. This is especially helpful when you're planning quickly or collaborating with other teachers who need clarification at a glance. Another feature to use is differentiation planning. Instead of leaving this column blank or rewriting the same notes, Magic Write can help generate ideas that teachers can adjust or refine. This supports intentional planning without replacing professional judgment. To add functionality for the school week, I can add dropdowns for lesson status, icons for quick visual cues, or color coding for pacing. These small design choices make the sheet easier to reference during instruction. Using Canva Sheets with Magic Design and Magic Write allow for a teacher to focus less on formatting and setup and more on instructional decisions. This is just the start of what you could use Canva Sheets and their magic tools for. Other ideas are differentiation and accommodation tracking, assessment and progress monitoring, classroom management and routines. For students, research and inquiry projects, math and data literacy, writing and literacy support, goal setting and reflection, or collaborative group work. Thanks for watching this overview on Canva Sheets features. Stay tuned for the next video in our Canva video series.